Stop wasting hours editing or paying for expensive tools. This AI just generated this entire clip in seconds, and today I am going to show you exactly how to do it yourself right now, step by step. If you want more high-level AI hacks and professional automation tricks like this every single day, hit that subscribe button right now because we are building the future of technology together, and you do not want to be left behind. First, open your Chrome browser and head straight to opal.google. Once the page loads, look for the sign-in button and click it immediately. Go ahead and select your preferred Google account to log in. I am already logged in, so you won't see me doing that part, but once you are in, look for the button that says Create New and click on it. It is going to open up a fresh workspace for you. Now, locate the Generate button and click that. You will see an option for agents, click on that, and then look for the VO model and select it. Now, take your prompt and paste it right here in the text box. Once that is done, click on Preview to see what it looks like, and then hit the Start button to begin the generation. It is honestly that easy. You don't need any complex skills or expensive software to create high-quality videos like this. And here's the pro tip that most people won't tell you. If you ever end up finishing your free credits, you can simply sign up with another Gmail account and keep your creation going without any pause. It is that simple, no stress, and no waste of time. I highly recommend you go and try it out by yourself right now. This is a brand new channel, and I am dropping these high-leverage automation tutorials every single day. If this channel is worth following, then you need to be part of the journey. Subscribe right now. I repeat, subscribe. Do not leave this video without hitting that button, because I am bringing you the best tools to stay ahead. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.